Hello students, good evening. Uh, Previous week I have sent you certain subject verb agreement task. So today I have come here with you all again with English on another English 1 class with the solution of subject verb agreement of previous day, and I will give you a few more rules and a few more tasks to be performed on subject verb agreement and a letter writing to do. Let's see what all things we have in our basket today. So without delay, let's start our class. So here we are, students, with the first exercise of subject verb agreement, which says combine the following sentences using an appropriate form of verb given in the brackets. Now let's see what the answers are. First one, man and woman dash complementary to each other. Now students, here you see man and woman. They are not single entity. They are acting as two different entities that are complementary to each other. They complement each other, that you are man, I'm woman, so you are man and I am there to support you, and you are woman and I'm man and I'm there to support you. Okay, so here man and woman are two different entities, so we are going to answer it as two different nouns, plural nouns, and we select here as plural verb are. See, answer is correct. Man and woman are complementary to each other. Now question number 2. Plenty of mangoes and bananas dash available in this season. Now mangoes and bananas, they are two different things. So plenty of plural noun and plenty of plural noun would make it plural subject, and hence we will select plural verb over here are. See, plenty of mangoes and bananas are available in this season. Next, we move on to question number 3. A dictionary and an atlas dash missing from the library. Now, this dictionary is a different thing. It's a word book, word meaning book rather. Atlas is the book of maths. So they are not same thing. So they are two different entities, making it a plural subject, and we select here a plural verb are. It's correct. A dictionary and an atlas are missing from the library. Next, we move on to the 4th question. The leader as well as his brothers and the dash to the same tribe. Now students, you see, as I taught you, when we use the conjunction as well as with, so we take the first subject, first noun. There are two subjects over here, the first two nouns, the leader and his brothers, two nouns. However, which one is the subject of the sentence? Here the subject of the sentence is the first noun, that is the leader, when we use the conjunction as well as with, along with. Okay, so the leader is a singular noun and the verb will also be singular, that is with s, belongs. See, it's correct. Next, we have got cats and dogs. Here cats and dogs are meant, cats and dogs dash not get along. So cats and dogs never mean here as animals, like we are not talking about only the group of animals. Here we are, cats and dogs, they're acting as different entities. Cats, plural noun, dogs, plural noun, and they do not gel well. So here they are plural, they join together and make it a plural subject, and we select plural verb, that is do not get along. Cats and dogs. Now, next question, number 6. The brothers as well as their sister dash good at their studies. Now you see again the conjunction over here is as well as. There are two nouns, brothers and sister, and since we are using as well as, we are going to take the first noun as the subject. So brothers. Brothers we know is plural noun, so we will select plural verb over here, are. The brothers as well as their sister are good at their studies. Next question, number 7. The students accompanied by their teacher dash gone on a picnic. Now here accompanied by, so as I said, as well as, along with, accompanied by, these are the few conjunctions which if we use to join two nouns, we will take first noun as the subject, and here the first noun is students, which is a plural noun, and we will select plural verb have. The students accompanied by their teacher have gone on a picnic. Next question, number 8. A lot of houses dash collapsed in the storm. Now you see, students, though it is written here a lot, a is used before singular. Now, but here you see the sense of a lot of houses is plural. So the subject here, a lot of houses, is a subject with plural sense. So the verb here would be used as plural verb. A lot of houses have collapsed. See, have collapsed. Next question, number 9. The children as well as their mother dash missing. Again, as well as, we'll take the first subject, children, plural in sense, so it's are. See? Children as well as their mother are missing. Next we have got a large sum of money dash stolen. Now a large sum of money is pointing to a single amount which is large. So here it is not in sense of plural like this question, a lot of houses. Here a large sum of money is taken as a single group, okay, and we use here as, it is used as singular subject with singular verb was. A large sum of money was stolen. So this is what is the answers for your question Roman number 1. So if you have scored full marks, give 10 on 10. So total marks here is 10 on 10. Now students, we move on to Roman number 2, that is subject and verb agreement exercise number 2. Choose the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. Now here we have got question number 1. Annie and her brothers dash at school. Now you see, students, Annie and her brothers. Which one is nearer to the blank? Brothers. Brothers is a plural noun. So as I taught you in the previous rule, Annie and her brothers, the subject is plural here, so the verb is also plural, are. Next, either my mother or my father. As I said, when you are using either or, it acts as singular subject and we take the answer as is. The dog or the cats dash outside. The dog or the cats dash outside. Now here we are using or. So the subject, as I said, is taken as singular and the verb is singular. But again I taught you that see the subject nearer to the blank, that is cats. Cats is plural. So we will take the verb as plural, are. Either my shoes or your coat. Again, either or takes singular subject and the verb here should be singular. But also see the subject nearer to the blank. That is coat over here, coat, which is singular. So we would be taking a singular verb, that is. George and Tamara dash want to see that movie. George one subject, Tamara another subject, makes it two subjects, plural. So we will take a plural verb, that is don't. Next, number 6, Benito don't know the answer. Now Benito is a singular noun. It's very simple answer. It's doesn't. Benito doesn't know the answer. Number 7, one of my sisters dash going on a trip to France. Now, one of my sisters, I have 10 sisters. Out of that, only one is going. So, subject is singular. So, the verb will also be singular here, is. Question number 8. The man with all the birds dash on my street. Now, again came with. You see the conjunction with. So what did I say when we have got with, along with, as well as, accompanied by, and we use these conjunctions to join two nouns. We take the first noun as the subject. So man is the subject, singular subject. Hence, we take the singular verb with S, that is lives. Next, question number 9. The movie, including all the previous, dash about 2 hours to watch. Now again see, there are two nouns, the movie and the preview, joined by including all. So again, we will take the first noun as the subject and then we will take the movie is a singular subject. So we'll take the singular verb, that is takes. Next, number 10. The players as well as the captain dash to win. See, it's as well as, so we will take the first noun as subject. Players. Players is a plural noun. So we'll take want. Want. Next, question number 11. Either answer dash acceptable means you have got two answers with you. Okay. Now you ask me, ma'am, which one is correct? I say either. So I'm talking about each one of them. So it is singular in sense, either, singular in sense, and also we know when we use either, so we use singular verb. So either answer is correct. Next, question number 12 says every one of those books dash fiction. Now students, you see, every one, we are talking about each of them, which is singular of course. So we will again take is as the verb. Nobody. Not a single one. I'm talking again about the singular noun. So nobody, not a single one, knows the trouble. Singular verb. Next, number 14. Dash the news on at 5 or 6. News, though it comes with S. Though it comes with S over here, it means north, south, east, west, or north, east, west, south. It is not plural. So news is always singular. So we'll use is. Is the news on at 5 or 6? Next, number 15. Mathematics, a dash, John's favorite subject, while civics dash, Andrea's favorite subject. Now students, you see, mathematics, though ends with S. Civics, though ends with S. It's a name of a singular subject. And hence, it is singular subject, singular noun. And we, both the cases, take the singular verb. Sorry. Mathematics is, civics is. Next, number 16. $8 dash the price of a movie these days. Now $8 is a single amount we are talking of, not plural amount. Single amount, one amount. So it is again singular. Is. Next, dash the tweezers in the straw. Now tweezers, though it is a single instrument like this, tweezer, but it has got two legs and it is always said in plural noun. It is always stated in plural noun. So we always use plural verb with it. So are the tweezers in the straw? Number 18. Your pants dash the cleaner. Pants again has got two legs and considered to be a single entity. Okay, it has got two legs and it is always stated in plural, pants, and the verb will also be plural. So are, pants are, whether it is one pants or two pants, it's always pants, and we use verb, plural verb with it. Your pants are at the cleaners. Next, 19. They dash 15 candies in that bag. Now they dash only one left. Now when there were 15 candies, that's plural, 15 candies, so we use were, plural. But when there is only one left, it's singular, so we say is. So there were 15 candies and now there is only one left. Now question number 20, students. You see, the committee debates or debate these questions carefully. Now you see, students, here committee, they are doing one single thing as a group. They are sitting and they are arguing on a fact. So they are acting as a collective noun. And collective noun always takes a singular verb, right? So here we are using debates, committee debates. However, question number 21, you see, the committee members, they dash very different lives in private. So they are when they are living their private life, they are not acting as a group. They are acting as their own individuals, right? So here it is not a group or collective noun. Here it is a plural noun and we will take a plural verb, lead. All right. Next, we move on to question number 22. The Prime Minister, together with his wife, dashed the press cordially. Now, again, we are using this together with, along with, included by, blah, 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 as well as. So, we will consider the first noun as the subject and it is Prime Minister, which is singular. We will consider the singular verb, that is greets. The Prime Minister, together with his wife, greets the press cordially. Next question number 23. All of the CDs, even the scratched one, the dash in this case. So all of the CDs, it's already plural. Okay. So all of the CDs plural noun will take plural verb are in the case. Got it? So this is how we solve Roman number 2. The answers are here. The total number is, full marks is 23. Give yourselves marks out of 23 and submit it to me personally. Now students, we move on to the next and the last subject verb agreement questions. Choose the correct form of the verb from the following sentence. Number 1. Scientists dash for information about how animals communicate. So scientists, it's plural, right? So we'll say a plural verb, that is search. Next question number 2. A police officer dash with the crime watch program to keep our neighborhood safe. Now a police officer, we're talking about a single police officer. So here it is singular subject and we take singular verb, works. Question number 3. Several businesses have moved into the area recently. So several businesses means many businesses. So it's a plural subject and it has got plural verb. It is plural subject with plural verb have. So option B is our answer, plural subject and plural verb. Question number 4. Matthew often climbs the 4 flights of stairs for exercise. Now here subject is Matthew, verb is climbs. Now Matthew is single person, it's a singular subject and so we have taken singular verb. So our answer is option number 1A, 4A, singular subject and verb. Next we move on to question number 5. Laurel and Hardy dash famous comedians. Now there is a cartoon show or comedy show called Laurel Hardy. That is a singular noun, Laurel Hardy, name of a particular comedy show. However, we are talking here about individually Laurel as comedian, Hardy as comedian. So we are using the word comedians over here. So Laurel and Hardy, they are single entity, individual entities, and one Laurel, Hardy, another one too makes plural subject and we take plural verb here as verb. Question number 6. Either mom or dad dash the dishes. As I said, either or will take singular verb. And let's see the noun or the subject nearer to the dash, that is dad, that is singular. So we will take definitely singular, does. Question number 7. Neither Angela nor her friends dash going to the correct concert. Now neither nor again goes with the singular verb. However, we need to see the verb nearest to the blank, friends, which is plural. So here we will not go for singular verb but the plural verb are. Question number 8. Each of the pictures dash a star's autograph on it. Now each of the pictures, we're talking about each one each, right? So each of the pictures dash star's autograph on it. So each of the picture is a singular subject over here that will take a singular verb, that is has. Now question number 9. The neighbors down the street dash going to water our plants while we are away. Now the neighbors down the street is, we are talking about the neighbors and simply it is just we are talking about the plural people, it's by sense plural. The neighbors down the street are going to water our plants. Are, neighbors are. Next number 10. Dash your friends from Australia arrived it. So friends plural noun. So obviously the verb will be plural. Have have your friends from Australia arrived yet? So these are the answers for Roman number 3. So out of 10 you mark it. So first one is out of 10, last one is out of 10, and the second one is out of 23. So it goes to 43. Mark yourself out of 43 and get back to me with your answer sheets or the corrected sheets to my personal chat, and I would post the marks individually in the group. So do it and send it to me by today 7:30, maximum by 8. Now students, I have sent you the solution paper of subject verb agreement of previous day. While solving the paper, I have explained many new rules, many of them. So watch the video carefully, remember or understand the rules which individually I have explained, and I'm sending you another worksheet of subject verb agreement. Do it. And today I would also send you a letter writing activity. Okay, so the letter writing activity is: write a letter to your friend. Write a letter to your friend telling him about how you felt by receiving your new books, and also add which subject do you feel the easiest of all, and which subject do you feel is the toughest, is going to give you a tough time. Now students, if you have gone through my video, you know my tasks, you know what you are going to do, and you are going to send it to me by 7:30 or 8, sorry, 7:38. Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you. Stay safe, stay at home, take care. Bye-bye.